For what?
For what?
A scavenger hunt. So we are going outside, everybody. Outside.
Outside.
And we'll be looking for things, specific things. Number one, a beautiful rock. A beautiful rock.
A beautiful rock.
A flower.
A flower.
Something grey.
Something grey.
Something shaped like a heart.
Something shaped like a heart.
Something that makes noise.
Something that makes noise.
Whoop. A feather.
A feather.
And the biggest leaf. The biggest leaf.
The biggest leaf.
And the smallest leaf.
The smallest leaf.
So imagine if you have a big group of students, you can split into teams. But I only have 3 students today, so 3 teams. We will go outside. They will have a maximum of 4 minutes to look for everything here. Aha! And it's gonna be difficult, but we'll come back and we'll see what you have. Okay, and we will say, I have found something shaped like a heart. I have found a feather, etc., etc. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Excellent, okay. So, just, Andrea, quickly show to the camera what you have found. Okay, nice. Lucy, show it to the camera. Raise it above. Yeah, okay, cool. And show it to the camera. Okay, great. So now let's see. Who has found a feather? So, I want to hear. I have found a feather.
I have found a feather.
And you?
No, I haven't.
You say, I haven't found a feather.
I haven't found a feather.
I haven't found a feather.
So, Lulu's team gets 1 point.
Yes.
Okay. What about a flower? Ooh. I have found a flower or I haven't found a flower?
I have found a flower.
Okay.
I have found a flower.
I have a flower.
Oh.
No cheating. No
And
cheating.
I haven't found a feather.
Andrea's
A flower.
So now, the jury can be you, the teacher, or a group of students who haven't participated in the scavenger hunt will decide who's the winner. So let's examine this flower. It's a small purple flower. Okay, interesting, interesting. Let's examine this flower. Ooh, that's a yellow rose. Wow. Okay, so jury decides. This wouldn't be more than one. Our favorite flower is Andrea's flower. Sorry. Who has found something shaped like a heart? Something shaped like a heart. So I have found something shaped like a heart.
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 Oh, let's show it to the camera. Okay.
I think it is
Interesting. Okay.
like a real one.
Oh, it's a heart, huh?
Interesting. Okay.
J'étais
And
fière de t'avoir trouvé ça.
okay. Well, the jury is going to decide. Our favorite something shaped like a heart is Andrea's.
Yes!
Because it's hard to find a rock shaped like a heart, but it's easy to find a leaf shaped like a heart. Yes, it is.
I agree.
So we could go on and check everything. That's the beauty of this game, but everyone gets the concept here. So thanks a lot for watching. Bye. Have fun on your scavenger hunt.
Bye.